Hey guys, it's Lululu. Want to advance edge glow like gojo on your alight motion? Like this. If you want this glow on the edges, follow the steps. First add your clips and make a cutout. Duplicate it 2 or 3 times. Then add an effect called solid color. Make it black. Then add another effect called smooth bevel. Adjust some numbers, like I'm doing. It's not necessary to put exact numbers. You can go with any adjustments that looks good on your clips. Then add Gaussian blur and exposure. Again, I'm doing some adjustments. After adjusting, change the blending to linear dodge, and that's it. Copy and paste your effects to another clip. Now change blending of another clip to linear dodge. Duplicate the clips one more time. And now I'm adjusting it so it doesn't look overglow. You can just follow my steps. And we're done. You can even change the color according to your liking, just like I'm going with red. Alright guys, that's it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more upcoming crazy tutorials. And if you guys have anything that I should make a tutorial on, comment right below. Peace out.